Oh. He just smeared it all over his face. I can't breathe. My side's on fire from laughing. Judith, all that like, what'd you do? Huff everything out of the fucking can?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I don't know, I hear it's a trip.
It is. It is amazing.
I hear it's like the best.
I usually get like 8 fucking bottles, and yeah, I get really light.
Alright, we gotta get something else. Yeah.
I just can't believe you tasted it, like, right when it
It looks like he's crying whipped cream.
just like caught it on my peripheral, like, thank God for her. Thank God for my peripheral, otherwise it would have flopped.
So he just, out of nowhere, took it off his head and licked it? Like, what is this?
He did.
He did. As soon as he woke up and he felt it, he wiped it and licked his finger. Like, what is this?
That's why I said I wish I would have got that on camera.
Just slap him in the face. Just right, it'll stick. I seen it on TV. Just stick it to the side of his
Get out of here, dude. Knock it off. Fucking stop. Why is there a whole shit of all that in my fucking hair?
Shitload of what? I'm high as fuck, dude. Oh my god.
This.
What did you do?
What did you guys do?
White shit.
What the fuck did you guys do?
What does it taste like?
That white shit's mustard.
Hi. How's it going? I can't fucking breathe. Oh my god. Oh, I can't breathe. I think I peed.
You left
I think I peed.
that was a good time.
You gotta get over here.
It was
Oh, turn this shit off.
What the fuck are you talking about, nigga? If you hit me with nothing, I swear to God. I'm just sitting here. I swear to God.
Yeah, with that light on.
I ain't
What
got shit to
light?
do with no light, dog.
What light? You just automatically look at that TV.
You can't pose. You just gotta keep eating your ice cream.
No, I'm supposed to pose. No, don't watch.
Oh, that's ew. That sounded gross, Jess.
You two pointed at something else.
It's not recording you. It's got the chair. Why are you recording the chair? Because I'm waiting for them to get a little more sleepy so the light doesn't fuck up their eyes.
So you're actually recording?
Mhm.
Why?
Because this is awesome. It's going on YouTube.
The chair.
It's been recording the whole time. From him waking up to the cheese slap to...
I don't give a fuck if you're awake or asleep. Remember.
Payback is a bitch. We're even now, monkey.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Told you, I get you back 10 times worse, buddy. You slapped me with cheese, I slapped you with mustard, bitch.
And cheese.
And cheese.
It was like a double whammy. Okay.
Hi, Andy.
Say hello.
What up?
Put this on the table. No, come on. What are you even doing?
Oh, God.
What are you doing? No, you doing anything. No, you doing
You do know you're being recorded, right?
Say hi to YouTube.
Josh, you just like...
His eyes are bloodshot like a bitch.
What? I didn't do this.
Put it in the cup. Put it in the cup, you dumbass. I'm not putting it in the fucking cup. I'm full of ass.
That is worse on your part. Oh my god. The night just got so much better.
Go to sleep.
We've been sitting around for 2 hours now for the last, 15 minutes. We've been
Wow,
fucking
you
with
packed
them.
smoke that me, dude.
Yeah, an empty bag.
What's that right now?
No, you're on YouTube. Say hi.
Anybody?
Say, good morning, America.
I love cheese.
Say don't pass out after a party.
I love German.
Ew. What the
Tell the camera you don't not to pass out at the end of a party, dude.
Move your fat ass, monkey ass over.
Move your fat ass.
Don't wipe it on me.
You were holding his hand earlier.
I got fucking pictures of you two holding hands in your sleep.
Like, you grabbed his hand.
You did.
Andy, your face is a little yellow, dude.
I got pictures of you two cupping hands, man. It's already on Facebook. It was good.
That's pretty funny.
This phone is awesome.
Got 5 days to get you back.
Please make sure I'm here when you do it, because this is awesome.
I'll
I'm
do
so
that.
glad I came over. It's a plasty blast.
Hell yeah.
Oh no, I'm gonna get your ceiling. Ew! Ew, it smells like mustard. That's all that shirt smells like is mustard.
Go to sleep, go deep to sleep. Hush now, my baby.
Stop singing. Come here.
Not happening.
What are you talking about? think that's a wrap on the video.
Mm. They're awake now. That was fun.